A very good morning to all my students. Today I am back with something new. You must be thinking, ma'am will start a new chapter, right? Are you thinking so? But you are wrong. I am not going to start chapter number 3, okay? But today I am going to do something very, very important. When you are making sentences, you are doing a lot of mistakes, right? That happen because you don't know about the tenses. What is tenses? If I will talk about in a simple way, tenses means time. Okay? And there are 3 types of time. How many types of time? 3 types of time. First time is called past tense. Past tense means the time which is over. And the work which we have done have also over. Past. Second type of tense is present. Time, right now. Okay? Whatever work you are doing right now is called present tense. And the third one is the work which you will do. Not have, you will do in the coming time. Okay, the work which you will do in the coming time, that is called future tense. Okay, students, today we will not learn all the 3. It will be very confusing for you. Today we will start with the simple one, that is past tense. Okay, students, all of you are ready? Okay, so let's start. Okay, students, let me write a sentence for you here. Ram played with me. Ram played with me. Full stop. In this sentence, Ram played with me. Can you tell me what is the action going on? Action means क्या काम हो रहा है? Tell me. Yes, played. So what is the action here? Played. And if in this word played, ed is also there. Ed denote the past tense. Ed to denote the past. Tell about the past tense. So that means this sentence is a past tense sentence. Okay. Second sentence. Let us see the next second sentence. Mohan jumped on the bed. Mohan jumped on the bed. Here what is the action going on? Tell me. What is the action? Mohan is the action? मोहन काम है? नहीं. On काम है? The काम है? Bed काम है? नहीं. मोहन तो हमारा noun है ना? Remember we have done noun? Yes. And bed is also a noun. It is a name of a thing and it is a name of a person. So what is the action here? Jumped. What is the action here? Jumped. So what action here comes? Jumped. Okay, Mohan jumped on the bed. Jumped is the action. And if you will see this word jumped, ed is there. This ed, what it tells about? It tells about the past tense. Okay, let us take one more example. Okay, students? Riya walked on the road. Riya walked on the road. Now what is the action going on? Tell me, what is the action? Yes, walked. Walked is the action. So this walked, is it in present tense or past tense? Yes, it is past because ed is there. although there are many words which is not ending with ed but they are in past tense, but we will not do that thing today. Today we will do the action words which is ending with the word ed and they are in the past tense. All of you have understood? Students, I hope you all have understood how a sentence can be in a past tense. How you will understand? By seeing the action words. Whenever an action words is ending with ed, that is surely is in the past tense. Okay students, one thing more. Today I am going to give you some homework. And what is that homework? I will give you some words like run, jump, any action word I will give you, and you have to change that word into past tense. I will show you how. Students, can you say this? Like the first word rock, I have to change this word by adding ed. So what it become? Rocked. Rock will become rocked. Jump, when I will add ed in that, what it become? Jumped. Splash will become, adding with ed it becomes splashed. Same way you have to do this worksheet at home in your notebooks. If you are having your fair notebook, you can do it in that, and if you don't have any fair notebook, then you can do it in your rough notebook. Okay students? I hope students you have understood the homework also. And along with the homework, what you have to do? Yes, you have to like and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. And also in the comment box, please do write your name, class and section, and please tell us how do you like our video, so that if you want something new to be explained, I will explain that also. Okay students, take care, be at home and stay healthy. Bye.